Good evening, students. Today I am going to teach the second chapter, National Income. National income means the income of the whole economy, the income of the entire economy. In Tamil we can say நாட்டு வருமானம். Now first we are going to see the introduction of this chapter. National income gives comprehensive measure of economic activities of a country. ஒரு கண்ட்ரியோட எக்கனாமிக் ஆக்டிவிட்டியை மெஷர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணது நேஷ்னல் இன்கம். ஆர் இட் இஸ் எ மெஷர் ஆஃப் economic performance of an economy. National income is very helpful to measure the economic performance of an economy. It denotes country's purchasing power. Purchasing power na வாங்கும் திறன் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Economic growth of a country is measured by the rate at which national income grows. Economic growth means increase in total output of a nation over a time. And national income, it is an instrument of economic planning. இது வந்து instrument of economic planning. Economic planning means government direction of economic growth of a country. And it is one of the important macroeconomic variable also. Which one is important macroeconomic variable na? National income. So clear understanding of meaning, concepts, measurement and use of national income is very important one. Nobel laureate Simon Kuznets, he first introduced the concept of national income. Now we have studied about the introduction. Now I am going to teach about the meaning of national income. National income na meaning enna? What is the meaning of national income? That is nothing but money value of goods and services produced in a year. Money value na பண மதிப்பு. எதோட பண மதிப்பு? Goods and services produced in a country. That is called national income. Meaning of national income I gave. Now we are going to see about the definitions of national income. First definition given by Alfred Marshall. What definition given by him? The labor and capital of a country. Labor na you know the meaning. Capital also. Labor and capital of a country acting on its natural resources. Naturally what we are getting. Produce annually per year. எவ்வளோ ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. certain net aggregate of commodities, both material goods and immaterial goods and also services also. That is called the true national income or revenue of the country. Revenue of the country வருமானம் or national dividend. This definition was given by Alfred Marshall. Next definition given by Simon Kuznets. What definition given by him? The net output of commodities and services, goods and services flowing during a year, per year, from the country's productive system into the hands of ultimate consumers. Consumers na you know the meaning. Those who consume the goods, or into net addition to country's stock of capital goods. Capital goods na plants and machinery, tools, etc. This definition was given by Simon Kuznets. Till this we have studied about the introduction of national income and meaning of national income. Now we are going to see about the basic concepts of national income. Some of the concepts used in measuring the national income. First one is GDP. Some concepts given in your book. GDP, GNP, NNP at factor cost, personal income, disposable income, per capita income, real income and GDP deflator given. Few concepts we are going to see. First one is GDP. What is the expansion of GDP? Gross domestic product. Gross total. Domestic within the country. Product na you know the meaning. Gross domestic product. That is nothing but total market value of goods and services. Total market value of goods and services produced within the country. Within the country during a year. ஒரு வருஷத்தில் எவ்வளோ கூட்ஸ் அண்ட் சர்வீசஸ் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அதோட டோட்டல் மார்க்கெட் வேல்யூ, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஜிடிபி. தட் இஸ் calculated at market prices. எப்படி calculate பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா at market prices. That is called GDP. The GDP by expenditure method at market prices, how we are calculating the how we are measuring the national income na, formula is given. C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C it refers to consumption goods. I it refers to investment good, முதலீடுன்னு அர்த்தம். G it refers to government purchases, government purchase பண்ணுறதெல்லாம். X minus M, in that X is export, M is import. This is one of the concept, GDP, but it does not include income earned from abroad. So first concept we have studied. The next one is net domestic product. Net domestic product, NDP, that is nothing but value of net output of economy during a year. Value of net output. Output na yield, அதாவது production. Value of net output of an economy during a year. Some of the country's capital equipment wears out or becomes outdated each year during the production process. Okay, so how we can calculate national domestic product na, GDP minus depreciation. GDP na gross domestic product minus depreciation, or we can say money value of final goods and services produced in a year, excluding depreciation product, excluding depreciation cost. Excluding na not including. அதாவது ஃபைனலாக கூட்ஸ் அண்ட் சர்வீசஸ் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகிறது பர் இயர், அதோட மணி வேல்யூ எக்ஸ்க்ளூடிங் depreciation cost, that is called NDP. Then now next one is GNP, gross national product. Gross total, nation, country. Okay, gross national product, that is nothing but total measure of flow of final goods and services at market value. At market value, including net income from abroad. Net income from abroad, that is called GNP, Gross National Product. It includes 5 types of final goods and services. 5 types. What are they? C, I, G, R minus P and X minus M. In that first type of final goods and service, first one is value of final consumer goods. Consumer goods na consumer க்கு தேவையான goods. Value of final consumer goods to satisfy the needs of the people. Needs of the people. That letter is indicated as consumption C. Second one is gross private domestic investment. Total private domestic investment in the capital goods. That letter is called as gross investment. That letter I. Third one is goods and services produced. Goods and services produced or purchased by the government. Goods and services produced. Produce பண்ணுறது அல்லது purchased by the government. That letter is indicated by G. Now fourth one. Fourth one is X minus M. X minus M. X it refers to export. M it refers to import. Difference between value of exports and imports. Difference between value of exports and imports. Next is R minus P. R minus P. Net factor income from abroad. Net factor income now that is nothing but wage, interest, profit received from abroad countries by the normal residents of India. By the normal residents of India. And factor income paid to foreign residents. Paid to foreign residents for factor services rendered by domestic territory in India. I think you all understood. I think once again I will repeat. X minus M. X it refers to export. M it refers to import. The difference between the value of exports and imports. R minus P it refers to net factor income received from abroad by normal residents of India and factor income paid to foreign residents for factor services rendered by domestic territory in India. Next one is fifth one. GNP. GNP that is nothing but gross national product. Gross national product at market prices. Market prices la adoda meaning பார்த்தீங்கன்னா goods and services produced per year in a country. Goods and services produced in a country per year plus net factor income earned from abroad. Earned from abroad. We can calculate it as C plus I plus G plus X minus M plus R minus P. இப்போ GNP எப்படி calculate பண்ணுறோன்னா GNP at market pricesல GDP at market prices plus net factor income from abroad. Next one is NNP. NNP. What is the meaning of, what is the expansion of NNP? Net national product at market prices. Net national product at market prices. That is nothing but value of net output of economy during a year. net output of an economy during the year. That is value of net output during a year. It is obtained by deducting the value of depreciation from GNP. Deducting the value of depreciation from GNP. That is nothing but NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. GNP minus depreciation. Shall we go to the next one? Next one is NNP at factor cost. NNP at factor cost. In the last paragraph, we have studied about NNP at market price we have studied. In this paragraph, NNP at factor cost. NNP is market value of output. NNP, it is nothing but market value of output. That is total income payment. Total income payment made to factors of production. Factors of production, they are land, labor, capital, organization, etc. And the total income வந்து pay பண்ணுறது எதுக்காக? To the factors of production. From NNP at market prices, from NNP at market prices, we deduct na subtract பண்ணுறோம். We deduct indirect taxes and add, எது add பண்ணுறோன்னா subsidies. I will repeat once again. NNP ங்கிறது that is nothing but market value of output. Total income payment made to the factors of production. So NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP at market prices minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP at market prices minus பண்ணுறது வந்து indirect taxes plus subsidies. Now the next one is concept used in measuring national income is personal income. That is nothing but total income received by individuals of a country. மொத்த income, that is total income received by individuals of country before payment of direct taxes. PI, it never equal to national income. How it is derived? Personal income வந்து எப்படி derive பண்ணுறோம்? It is given formula derived from national income. National income இருந்து by deducting undistributed corporate profit and employees contribution to social security schemes and adding transfer payment. That is nothing but that formula. Personal income is equal to national income minus social security contribution and undistributed corporate profit plus transfer payment. I think you all understood. Once again I will explain what are all the concepts. I am going to explain now. Okay. First, GDP, money value of final goods and services in a country, does not include income earned from abroad. NDP ங்கிறது excluding depreciation cost. Okay. GNP ங்கிறது including net factor income earned from abroad. NNP ங்கிறது excluding depreciation cost. Till this I think you all understood. today's homework. These first basic concepts of national income you read and write test. Okay, from GDP to personal income, meaning of GDP, NDP, GNP, NNP, personal income, meaning you read and write in home test. Thank you.